Shalom. Today is it's good morning. It's
what up, peeps?
It's 11:04 a.m. What is Wednesday? Yeah, it's Wednesday, and we're headed to we're at Starbucks right now. I'm about to get a sandwich. I haven't ate anything today yet. A sandwich and a drink, and then we're gonna go over to the mall. I'm about to get these dealt with. Okay, they grow so quick. They're not. That one is a little dirty. Oh my god, what was it? No, I don't know. There was a little lint.
It's a little ish.
A little lint. But I'm about to get these filed down and did on up at the nail shop. Today is Wednesday. I start cooking my Thanksgiving meal on Wednesday night. I'm gonna start at 10:30. Why black people do that? When somebody blow the horn, automatically start looking around, see who they blowing it at? Because I know you ain't blowing it at me. Yep. So I'm gonna go live at 10:30. I'm waiting for my equipment. I ordered some stuff on Amazon. It said it was shipped, so it's supposed to be delivered today. I ordered this little thing for my other camera that you plug it into you plug the battery up, and it stays charging continuously. So it won't go dead, because I'm trying to use my camera to go live tonight. Hopefully that works and they have really good quality. That's the goal, because like the quality be a little off when I go live on YouTube. So we're gonna test that out whenever that comes in. Hopefully it comes in earlier. I already cleaned the oven. If y'all seen that in the last video from Wednesday, I already cleaned the oven. So yeah, we gotta go to Walmart after we leave the mall. We gotta go to Walmart. I gotta get some eating utensils. I gotta get some brown sugar and some oven cleaner to finish the oven off. And yeah, I think that's it.
This video,
huh?
Let's read my own comments. That's funny.
Oh. All right, y'all. See y'all. Y'all remember in the net?
Y'all, I'm trying to show y'all this man ponytail. Look at him. He got bundles. Let me see. Zoom in before you look. What is you doing? Oh shit. I'm trying to show y'all the video bundles. This is loud.
Y'all remember in the last vlog when I ordered my Starbucks and the man was like, you want a grilled cheese panini? And I was like, no, I want a grilled cheese. He did it again today. And then on the menu it clearly says grilled cheese, no panini. This foam is so good on top. Wish I had a cup holder.
I'm trying to make one for you. Don't put that on my skins, man.
Come through, skins. Oh man, I didn't clear out this memory card before I started filming. It should be fine though. Still got 3 hours.
I know. How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
I gave you all the love I got. I gave you more than I could give. Gave you love. I gave you all that I have inside. When you took my love, you took my love. And I'm not telling you what I believe. Somebody say that a love like that won't last. Didn't I give you all that I got to give, baby? I gave you all the love I got. I gave you more than I could give. Gave you love. I gave you all that I have inside. When you took my love, you took my love.
Alright y'all, so I just got done getting my, what's this, a manicure. Got my chompers cut down. Mylan is getting his done, and then after that, we gotta run to Walmart. I think that's it. I think Walmart. Yeah, I think it's just Walmart, and then going back home. I gotta start getting ready for Thanksgiving. What is this on my hat? Y'all get it? Hopefully. Now, while I'm sitting here in the nail shop, I'm jamming out to my gospel song. I'm listening to Deliver Me by Donna Lawrence and what I want to say, Leandria Johnson. This song right here, Deliver Me. If you never heard this song, you need to look at Jackie. What's going on, Jackie?
Asian Santa. Yeah, you always welcome to Wonderful Nails. Yeah, you beautiful, wonderful nail for the holiday.
That's right. Well,
Yeah.
tell them where you located, Jackie.
This is the right place where you can come in the 12 Oaks Mall in Novi, Michigan.
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful nail. Only Jackie Chan here will take care of you.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So I'm listening to my music, waiting on Mylan to get done. This song is the most touching song in the world. Like, if you ever been going through stuff, like going through something and you just feel like giving up, you don't have no faith, like your faith is low. You just, I don't know, it's a touching song, you know, for everybody. So I'm listening to it, jamming out, and every time I listen to it, I get deep into my feelings and stuff because it's just, you know, it's the holiday time. You start thinking about your family and your loved ones and stuff. So I'm just vibing, waiting. And then I get a comment. The comment, man, almost broke me down. Let me show you. I'm gonna cut this brightness down. But I'm gonna put it on the screen. But let me just. Let me screenshot it just in case when I'm editing it back, it look blurry, but it's crazy how you touch so many people's lives just by showing your life and vlogging. And I don't know, it's so many people say, oh my God, you done a good job, or I love watching your vlogs, you know, you inspire me, you get me through work, you get me through my day and stuff like that. Y'all, that means so much. Like, to just be showing my life and what I do on a normal, random, crazy stuff, and you guys really like it. And saying that, you know, you'll be having a bad day and then you watch my video, watch me and my video, and then your days just are brighter. That's crazy, and it's one of the best compliments ever. So, yeah. I love y'all. See y'all. Let me get back to my jam. Y'all gotta listen to this song, okay? I'm gonna put it on the screen too. Listen to this song.
Butterscotch, turn around. Not you. You.
He bougie.
You like me.
As soon as we came to the window.
Look there. Look at him. I could have got me a peppermint milkshake.
Y'all. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Finna play me? Ah! Y'all. That little ass ham. $74. Honey baked. Y'all better be lucky y'all good. Cause at this point we just paying for the taste. God damn, come on. Yeah.
I can't believe I'm not gonna have no ham this Thanksgiving.
You different. Why you got the heat?
Wow.
Smoke me out. Ooh, y'all. Not where we going? Cause I'm ready to go home.
Enjoy the ride.
No, ain't nobody enjoying the ride. I got shit to do.
Okay. So what you gonna do? Make me turn around?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got stuff to do. Ain't got time to be running no errands with you. I got my own thing I gotta get done.
Gotcha.
No, for real.
You too.
So where's we going? Cause I can Uber home. I don't have to ride with you.
By all means.
All right. Hold on, y'all. Let me come. No, take me to Sam's Club.
No, no, I don't got nowhere else to take you.
Take me to Sam's Club if you're gonna do something. Oh, it's hot in here. It's not even that cold outside. Jesus, please get me out of this car. Miley been driving crazy as hell. This is our what, third? Possessed. This is our third store looking for some smoked turkey legs, okay? I need...
They didn't get them yesterday, and now all the people out shopping and they bought them all. And now he wanted to act like it's somebody else's problem because he didn't.
And nobody even asked you. Can you shut up? Yeah, so I need the turkey legs for the greens. Like, I don't know about y'all, but oh, excuse me, I gotta have some smoked turkey meat. Give me smoked turkey anything. Turkey butt, turkey neck, turkey something. Dang, I nothing.
Turkey ass.
Little turkey tail. Anything. Turkey smoke. I need smoked meat, smoked anything. So we about to go to Sam's Club and pray that they have them. We went to Costco, they didn't have them. Walmart did not have them. Yeah, so let's go in here and see. What's that? Oh shit. I want to go to the gun range.
Me too.
Pop a bitch.
Boom, boom.
Bow. Bow. Bow, bow. Oh.
What you doing, Cream Truck? What you doing?
Is it him or is it you?
No, it's Cream.
Damn.
Cream.
I got to go.
Cream is from Indiana.
I ain't never seen a cream car before, though. That's different. It's like eggnog. Mylan! The fuck? Do y'all see that? Do it show in the camera how we was just turning? I don't think it's gonna show. Bitch!
I'm acting like this car raggedy.
Need an oil change and a wheel alignment. You over here driving crazy. All right. I'm gonna leave y'all in the car because we trying to go in and out. I've been leaving y'all in the car all day. I'm sorry. They don't got no smoked turkey meat. They ain't got no smoked turkey, nothing. Turkey ass, turkey leg. They ain't got nothing smoked. They ain't got nothing in the bake. What we gonna do? I ain't never made greens without smoked turkey meat. Oh man, should have got cabbage. That's some bullshit. I might have to go to the hood. Let me Google it. Y'all, I'm in here editing right now, getting Wednesday's video ready. Hopefully I can get it out by 5:30. Hopefully. But
that's real ghetto on how you edit a video that's saying, I'm trying to get this video out to y'all. You have a complication of getting the video out to them. Then you put the video again for the next video.
I didn't say I was having I didn't say I was having a complication. Why are you interrupting? See, you're the complication. I need to go to a coffee shop or something because it's always people like this interrupting. Leave me alone. Let me focus. I'm in my office. You coming in here? I'm in my zone. Oh my God, get out. The video is still not live yet. And
y'all, my videos be uploaded.
You see how you get rid of a motherfucker? You see how I did that? I got it. Get out! Hurry up! Alright, bye. I am about to move these decorations out of my way because y'all know I'm about to start cooking. So I gotta move this stuff out of the way. But I'm about to make my cornbread right now so it can get a little old. You gotta get a little old and stale, even though I'm making it a couple hours before. It ain't gonna be fresh, you get what I'm saying? So moving the little setup. So I gotta make this cornbread. I'm about to show y'all how I'm making it. It's gonna be simple. It's just gonna be seasoned, like with the sage and poetry season and all that stuff. it up for a liter. Where is, oh. And my cousin had made some sweet cornbread once. And ever since then, I kind of like it. So I use Jiffy and cornmeal. So I do both. I use this. And I use Jiffy. I couldn't find this anymore. Probably because they changed the damn name to Pearl Meal. Merle, whatever the name is, Pearl of Meal. I wasn't paying attention. But I'm gonna use this instead. So we're gonna use half of these. I'm probably use 2 boxes of the Jiffy. I'm gonna season it, bake it, and then let it sit out. Try to get it a little old, a little aged. I should have did this way earlier, but I had to clean my oven. Where'd that click? These used to be white bags. They changed it to these little plastic ones.
See the way it's showing now, girl, I can't tame you. I can't blame you. Yeah, you know the way to pose. You know your angle. I can't tame you. I can't tame you. I can't change you.
Internationally known on this microphone. Holyfield, Ross Craig, we at Tyson's though. Lonely nights, I'm alright, I can vibe alone. So don't be tired, I'm quiet, no inquiring though. I know your angles, way back then bitches show your bracelet. Cartier stacking for days, look like Thanos. You saying the universe ain't grateful. I put infinity stones on all your fingers. Generous when I got, feelings for who I got. Feelings for when I'm not, feeling you girl I'm not. Feeling whatever feelings, I feel that you feel a lot. Cause I be in my feelings, I'm giving you what I'm got. Maybe I'm on your page, maybe I got so hot. Maybe I can't.
Really good. Uncle, look at the cute little guinea pig.
Get him out my kitchen.
Why?
I'm cooking.
I want to do it.
Go that way.
Can I just show them?
Yeah, let me turn the camera.
God, look at this cute little guinea pig.
They can't see it.
They're so fluffy.
That's okay. Bye.
Bye.
Make sure you wash your hands. That thing got my kitchen. Huh?
Clean yourself. They're real clean, like a cat. Like little house cats, because outside cats not clean.
Y'all some animal lovers.
Yeah, if you really look it up too, they got the best meat. Like I swear the meat, like people eat them, bro.
Ugh.
Yeah. That meat better than look it up, bro. I promise.
I'm not eating that.
Words to that. Hey, word, man.
Body 650, I pull up, they gon' 180 to us. They gon' be hating on us, but you be straight, then I be straight, and ain't no angle to it. Do it. Ooh, hey, press.
See the way it's showing now, girl, I can't tame you. I can't blame you. Yeah, you know the way to pose. You know your angle. I can't tame you. I can't tame you. I can't change you.
All right, my video is uploading right now. My cornbread is done. I have to go to my building, grab me a pot for my greens, and I gotta stop and grab some smoked turkey meat and some milk. because we're about to run out of, well, we already ran out of milk. I just ordered some stuff from Amazon for my camera because, you know, I go live every year. And this year I wanted to try to go live off of my actual camera instead of the iPad. So I'm trying to set that up, but I'll do that when we get right back. Whew, I'm tired, I'm hungry. Whew. All right, let's go. Y'all, I put a PPO out. Is it a PPO? A PPA? A PPO? I put one out on turkey legs, the smoked turkey legs, and my best friend had told me where they were, but he couldn't pick them up for me because he had something to do. So I'm about to go grab them right now at this grocery store not far from my building, which is great. I can go here. Only the reason why he couldn't get them is because he said the lines was long as hell. So I'm about to go in here, grab these turkey legs, or whatever turkey, smoked turkey they got, you know, grab them, go to the building, grab a big pot so I can do my greens in, go back to the house, try to set up this equipment for the live. Hopefully I'll be able to do it. If I don't, I'll just go for my iPad. But I just wanted to have some really good quality going live this year. You know, this my thing. I go live every year, you know. I got people emailing and DMing, what time are you going? What time are you going? They ready. So I'm excited. Video is saving. By the time I get home, it'll be ready to go live. It should be ready to go live. Yeah, we're doing good. Good timing. It's only 6:47. I could have took a nap if I wanted to, but nah, I won't do that. I don't want to do that. I'm about to go grab me a Red Bull, honestly. That's what I'm gonna do in this grocery store after I grab these turkey meat. Oh my God, this mouth. Oh, it's, oh, it is packed. Oh, it is. Yeah, it is. Woo! I hope y'all having a beautiful Thanksgiving. When y'all watching this, Thanksgiving has passed. What the hell? I'm sorry, I didn't even realize that was happening. I hope y'all having a beautiful Thanksgiving. By the time y'all watching this, Thanksgiving has passed. It is Black Friday. Hopefully I can get it out on Black Friday. I don't think I'm going shopping there, but yeah, it's Black Friday. I should have went and got my pot first. Damn, now I'm gonna have to, whatever. That's cool, because I'm gonna have to come right back this way. But anyway, yeah, hope y'all get whatever y'all want. Be safe out here because people, it's going crazy at Black Friday. Every year they go crazy with this stuff and we don't need that. So make sure you wear 2 masks if you're going out. I wasn't gonna go out, but it's so crazy that Aria TV is going out. Like, it literally has stopped working. It don't work, so I have to go buy her a TV for Black Friday. I was not going to go get in nobody's line and go spend no money this year, but because this TV is acting up, I might as well go buy her one. So I might be out these streets just for that. But all right, y'all, I'm gonna leave y'all in the car. I'm gonna take y'all down off this mountain though because it's a little sketchy, but I'm gonna leave y'all in the car. All right, be back. I decided to bring y'all in just in case somebody tried to gank y'all, so we can hit it together. Turkey neck and turkey leg. Oh shoot! And turkey legs is secure. They're in the bag. Okay, so hopefully I got everything that I need. I don't have to go back to nobody's grocery store. I'm about to go pick up my pot. And I am good to go. Pick up this pot for the grizzings. For the greens. I think I'm gonna put my turkey legs on as soon as I look in the house. My turkey meat. I'm gonna put them on in the bake in that pot. Yeah. So they can get to getting tender love. That's what we are. I don't know what order I'm going in when I cook. I might just ask you guys what order should I cook everything in, just so that I could you know, be ahead. Oh, I got a boil of chicken as well, because I want to use that chicken for my dressing. I'm gonna use the boiled chicken for my dressing. Boil it with seasonings. Ooh, it's gonna be so good. And then once the meat get all flavorful, I'm gonna put it into the dressing. It's gonna be chicken all the way through it. All right, y'all. So I'll see y'all when we get home. 7 o'clock. I'm gonna get this. I might be home around 7:30, 7:45, because I'm literally running in and out of the building, running in and out. So see y'all in a second. I just did something a little crazy, a little stupid. I spent $200 at the liquor store. I only got 3 bottles. I think it's because I came to the liquor store out here by me in the burbs, and they high as hell. And I should have got it when I was closer to the city. But what can you do? What can you do? I already done messed up. Already done messed up. At least we gonna have something for holidays. We got a little Patron. This the only thing they had that was anejo. We got some Cazahor. And we got some Hennessy. That was crazy. This $200. This is $70-something. They went up, man. That's crazy. I don't even know why. This bet the... Ooh, shit. All right. But whatever. We ain't gonna complain. It's Thanksgiving. So, I'm thankful. Amen. Got a little lemonade. I got my pot for the greens. All right, so I'm about to play with my setup real quick and try to figure that out. Upload this video like right now, jump in the shower, and then start my cooking. I'm gonna go live. I probably won't see you guys again until after or while I'm live or something like that, but it'll be a minute. Okay, I just checked in, let you know what I did. I'll see you in a minute. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Today is actually Wednesday, the 24th, the day before Thanksgiving, and we're cooking. It's 11:23, and I'm on live right now. So I want y'all to say hi to the vlog for y'all can see yourself when I post. I told grandma to come, but I'll talk to you about it. Say hi to the vlog, y'all. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder where are you at? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got a guarantee, and I have to know. Say don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations. Alright y'all, I love y'all. I'll see y'all in a minute. Hey y'all. I don't even know where I left off at, but the dinner is done. Let me show y'all. If y'all was on my live, I cooked everything on there. The live is still up. Thanksgiving live. I've been on there. I was on there for 7 hours, y'all. Or 6 hours. 6 hours. It's a long live, so go watch it. Let me show y'all some of the finished things. This is my strawberry cheesecake. This is my Patty's pie. Patty sweet potato pie. But cheesecake is from scratch. I made that. These are the candy yams. I gotta put them back in the oven to heat them up. But they're all done. Macaroni and cheese. Greens right here. Y'all, this turkey is so tender. I've been nibbling on it. Let me cut it open so y'all can see it better. She busted wide open. My God, my God. Now, you know what I love? I love to change somebody's mind. Mine don't like turkey because he had a bad experience eating turkey growing up as a kid. The shit was dry. I gave the young man a piece of this turkey and he fell in love. Ain't that right?
Boy, calm down.
Turkey good or not?
That's alright.
You gonna eat it or not?
I might not.
You know you get on camera and you start acting real brand new. 210 was right. You acting real light skin right now.
You see my skin complexion?
That don't mean you gotta act like it. Privileged. Okay, so this is the turkey. Turkey is turkey, okay? Gobble, gobble on that ass. Look at it. Look at the uterus. Look at the bones. The bones even tender. Look at that. Look at it. Ooh. Okay, let me stop. Honey baked ham in there. Warming up. Ooh. Right here is dressing. We got 2 pans of dressing. I can put that dressing back in the oven. Let it cook a little longer. But yeah. Everything is done. Happy Thanksgiving. By the time y'all see this, it will be Black Friday. For those who's out there shopping, I will not be one of them. Oh, wait, never mind. I gotta go get a TV. I might go get a few things, but I ain't got a list of shit that I need, so. Yeah. Yeah, Mylan in here trying to set the decorations up for Christmas.
The video is done.
That's what he in here getting started. Setting up the decorations, they're starting to do it. Tree's still not fluffed. I'm the only one who's gonna do it. Ain't nobody else trying to help me fluff it.
Oh, I'm so glad I'm just sitting here thinking like, oh my God, you gotta put light in this.
No, you gotta put on lights.
Oh, I forgot. Thank God.
Nah, that's the tree you gotta put all this stuff on. But that's easy. That tree is big. It's just not big compared to this one. Because it's still taller than me.
Yeah, I think that one is a 7 foot tree.
Right. So don't do the original.
Don't do OG.
Don't do the original. All right, y'all. So I'll see y'all. Oh, the lighting is horrible. I'll see y'all later. If I do anything else today, I'll take y'all with me. If not, video coming out like this.